Stop buying tomatoes! Yes, you heard me right. Why waste money on store-bought tomatoes when you can grow your own at home? And trust me, the results will surprise you. Growing tomatoes at home is much easier than you think. And the best part? You'll have an endless supply of fresh, juicy, and flavorful tomatoes right at your fingertips. Whether you have a garden, a balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, tomatoes can thrive in almost any space. All you need is some basic knowledge, and you'll be well on your way to growing your very own. First, let's talk about choosing the right variety. There are so many types to choose from: cherry tomatoes, beefsteak, Roma. Each variety has its own benefits, but for beginners, I recommend starting with cherry tomatoes. They are small, easy to grow, and perfect for snacking. You can either start from seeds or seedlings. If you're a beginner, seedlings are an easier option as they give you a head start. Plant them in rich, well-drained soil, and place the pots in a sunny spot. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Now, tomatoes love consistent watering, but be careful not to overdo it. Water them at the base, avoiding the leaves to prevent diseases. And don't forget to mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and keep those pesky weeds at bay. As your plants grow taller, they'll need some support. Use stakes, cages, or even a trellis to keep them upright. This will also help prevent your tomatoes from touching the ground where they can rot. Feed your tomatoes with a balanced organic fertilizer to encourage fruit production. And as they grow, prune the lower leaves and side shoots to focus the plant's energy on producing those delicious tomatoes. Now the best part, harvesting. When your tomatoes turn vibrant red and feel slightly soft to the touch, they're ready to be picked. You'll be amazed at how fresh and flavorful homegrown tomatoes taste compared to store-bought ones. Look at this beautiful harvest. You'll have more than enough for salads, sauces, and all your favorite dishes. And the best part? You won't need to buy tomatoes ever again. And here's a bonus tip. If you want tomatoes year-round, consider growing them indoors with the help of grow lights. It's a great way to enjoy fresh tomatoes even in the colder months. So what are you waiting for? Start growing your own tomatoes today and experience the satisfaction of homegrown goodness. You'll be surprised at how easy and rewarding it is. Plus, you'll save money and enjoy fresher, healthier tomatoes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!